big debate is, well, it's not a debate anymore because the people have spoken, but basically there was two loops, one here and one here. Like,
did you rip it off?
I just cut it. All right, we had 2,000 people vote on this boot thing. We're gonna go break the news to Dennis that his idea of two loops was lame. Let's go see him. Mr. Eiler.
What's up?
We're gonna stick to manufacturing and not product design.
And boots, baby.
Let me see the scissors. Let me see the scissors. Come on.
This is all the ones I got.
I don't know if I can. I don't know. Hold it tight. Let's see. Okay. The people have spoken. Let's go. Hey, we're gonna go with the one tab. This thing is like, look at this, fully welted construction.
Yeah.
I mean, bro, it is. But yeah, we'll go with one tab. 20% of the population was with you.
You know? I love you. That 20%, my ride or die. This is why I do it. I do it for y'all. I lost. 2 tabs or 1 tab on Chelsea Boots?
2
2 tabs.
You need 2 tabs.
All done.
Dang. 1 tab.
2.
80% of the population chooses 1 tab.
Psychopaths.
That's right. Our customers are psychopaths, savages. Absolute
We got a
savages.
new bag?
Well, let me see.
No, we're not getting that okay.
Get it out, get it out. So Jonna makes ridiculous handmade bags.
Really?
We got to do a hostile takeover of the bag business. She makes these handmade bags, like all types, like pocketbooks, bags, all sorts of shit. Hey, Dennis, you want to grab that bag real quick? Come on, Jonna, let's show the world what you do. So, like, she does stuff like this, and like, they're really nice, handmade. Oh, here's another one. This is the one Amanda.
This is our leather.
Yeah, she made that with our leather. What is that, bison?
Yeah, it's a sling pad.
Anyway, she makes all sorts of stuff. A dream and a seam. They're pretty badass. So somebody at the factory ordered this from her. Chloe just got, she's representing the Roberts Lacrosse Empire here in the small town of Maine. Just got her 100th goal last night.
Congrats.
100th goal. 100th goal.
What we have here is our brand new moc-toe machine that just came in from Italy. That worked out pretty good. This came in yesterday and we've been dialing it in, get it up and going and see how it all functions and stuff. I had a few hiccups early on trying to... It operates way different than normal machines. So right now we have one of the moc-toe vamps stitched, and then we switched over and we did a couple in the Coffee Ranger leather. We're gonna have Evan try and welt those, blast those onto a heritage style, and then welt those on all the welted machinery just to kind of get like a prototype, so everyone can kind of see what it's gonna look like. Yeah, there's the needle there.
Oh yeah.
And like as you're running the boot through.
That is a wild needle.
Yeah, you got your hand like right here.
Yeah.
So if you're not careful, you know.
So we got our new moc-toe machine because they're coming out with a moc-toe boot this year. The only issue is that it's extremely unsafe when we actually look at it. How do we make it safe before we put it into the production line? Because we always think about safety first before production and quality. And so they're supposedly got it done. I'm gonna go check it out later today, but let's see what they came up with.
So when I made it, it wasn't too bad. I just I put a piece of cardboard on there, molded it to about the shape I wanted, unfolded the cardboard and cut out the plastic and heated it up and bent it from there. You know, it was dangerous and they were talking about how we're gonna do it and, you know, this and that, and if we might have to order stuff or, you know, whatever. Then they went back in the office and it was like 2 seconds later I sent the email and some pictures. I'm like, there you go, done, boom, just like that.
2 weeks out from TAC.
We're at a first Total Archery Challenge. This one is really close to home. It's about 4 hours down from Farmington, Maine. So we thought perfect time to get local and meet all of our local archers and hunters. So we're at Pico Mountain in Vermont.
I started practicing my bow and realized my string was cut, and so I stopped shooting it. Had to go and take it to my guy out at LL Cody. His name's Jamie. He hooked it up, got it all fixed. Got some flow pink. Gee, boy. Why don't you go ahead and look at that one? History lesson of last year. I basically lost to Phil by 1 point. This is a tight shot to get, and I need to win it. Side here. I don't lose. All I do is win. All I do is win.
I'm a problem.
All I do is win. I don't lose. All I do is win. I ain't worried about losing. I perform under pressure. I ain't scared. I'm gonna have them frozen like Elsa. Tree. I hit a tree. Why is that? Why do I drop bombs at 80?
Yeah.
Oh, because I'm a problem, bro. I'm a freaking beast. I mean, I was,
Just straight up.
on all the longest shots that we had at the TAC, I was the best shot on that. I just happened to hit a tree at the very end.
So now that we brought Mayo on board, we're really trying to capitalize on the opportunity to make a lot of changes with our existing patterns and then just roll those over to anything we launch moving forward. So we're working on getting this flash activator working. So we're going to be getting this machine up and running. This is a machine we've had sitting here for a long time.
Dillon, how do you know how to run all these machines?
Been doing it too long. And one of the big things that we're starting to work on is we're going to be using a new adhesive on our sole, a much better adhesive. In the past, we've had problems with our soles separating and pulling apart. So we're really trying to address that now. So you have these holes here, and that's where the boot is actually going to go. These are just test boots, they're junk. So you'd put the boot in here like this, and then that's going to go through. It's going to look more like this with all the glue on it and the sole sitting beside it with all the glue ready to be flash activated. It's got a laser that goes across that conveyor, so when the boot reaches the end, it knows when to stop. And it's got another laser up in there, so when the boot reaches the activation point, the machine will pause, the light comes on, it flash activates the glue with heat, and then it sends it to the next laser where it's then ready to get pressed and go to the next steps. The adhesive should make a really big difference in our current product, and then obviously we'll roll this over to any product we launch from here on out with the Chelsea boot and the moc-toe.
A lot of different styles coming out, huh?
Oh, so many.
So one of my favorite things to do from standing, a lot of people say don't pull guard, pull guard. It's a very debatable thing. I love arm dragging. So let's say your partner is standing and you're standing, you're kind of in this spot, right? I don't want my arms out real far. I kind of want to keep everything kind of close to my body. As I step in with my left hand, I'm going to capture his wrist. Then with my right hand, I'm going to pop this arm. Okay? And I want to hit not directly behind on the top of his tricep, but I'm getting kind of this spot right above his elbow to where I turn it and pull him in. As I'm doing that, I'm pushing my arm down and I'm bicep curling him in. Now my penetration leg, my front foot is going to stay right here. So as I pop in, I step with my outside leg to the side of his body.
Do it
From
one more
here,
time. Do it one more time.
one more time.
Yeah,
So I'm on
hold
the
on.
outside. I reach, capture. This hand pops, pulls in. I step with my outside foot. My penetration foot stays. I then capture my hands together and I break his body and his posture down. From there, I'm going to back step with my front leg and rotate down.